Welcome back to the Explainer, everyone. Today, we're mapping out the exact roadmap for reaching a truly massive financial milestone. I'm talking about your very first $10,000 and exactly how to get there systematically, even if you currently feel like your bank account is running on absolute fumes. So, what if I told you your first $10,000 is actually the hardest to save, but after that, money actually starts working for you? It sounds like a pretty bold claim, right? But here is exactly how to get there. Okay, let's dive into this. Most people have this deeply ingrained belief that they absolutely need a high-paying job to even dream of saving 10 grand. But honestly, that's just not true. The real reason most people never reach that milestone is because they spend first and then try to save whatever happens to be left over. Spoiler alert, there's rarely anything left. Successful wealth builders do the exact opposite. They save first, and then they spend the rest. It's a total paradigm shift. Instead of treating savings as an afterthought, it becomes the very first bill they pay. To help you make that shift, I'm going to walk you through a super simple step-by-step playbook that anyone can follow. We're looking at 6 steps. 1. Know where your money goes. 2. Pay yourself first. 3. Cut the biggest expenses. 4. Increase your income. 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. And 6. Let your money grow. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Know where your money goes. The very first step is actually pretty simple. You need to track every single dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Seriously, you'll be shocked at how much money just vanishes on things you don't even remember buying. We're talking about the daily coffee, frequent food delivery, streaming subscriptions you totally forgot to cancel, and, of course, impulse shopping. On their own, a $5 coffee doesn't seem dangerous at all. But together, they quietly destroy your savings. Absolute awareness is the very first step to building wealth. Step 2. Pay yourself first. This is the next crucial rung on the ladder, and it's basically the golden rule of wealth building. Here's the magic number, 20%. The very moment you receive your paycheck, you need to save at least 20% of it. Don't wait until the end of the month. Move it to a completely separate savings account immediately. Because think about it, if you never actually see the money sitting in your checking account, you simply won't be tempted to spend it. Let's move to and see how this builds. To truly guarantee this happens, automate the transfer if possible. Step 1, you receive your paycheck. Step 2, you auto-transfer that 20%. Step 3, you live on the remainder. Setting this up removes human error and willpower from the equation entirely. Because as you've probably heard, consistency beats motivation. Motivation is a great feeling, sure, but it always fades. Reliable, automated systems always win out over waiting until the end of the month to somehow feel motivated to save. Step 3. Cut the biggest expenses. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why we need to focus here. Most people try to save by agonizing over skipping their morning coffee, but honestly, that's not enough. You need to pull the major levers in your budget, which are your 3 biggest expenses: housing, transportation, and food. Finding a cheaper apartment, cooking at home more often, or reducing unnecessary car costs can literally save you hundreds of dollars every single month. Big savings come from big expenses, plain and simple. Step 4. Increase your income. Here's the harsh reality. Saving alone has a hard limit, but your income, that doesn't have a ceiling. We live in an incredible time to boost the amount of money flowing in. You can learn a valuable skill, start freelancing, work a part-time job, sell digital products, or even build an online business. Even bringing in an extra $300 every month can dramatically speed up your journey to 10 grand. That's $3,600 a year. By combining expense cutting with actively increasing your income, your savings rate won't just creep up, it's going to absolutely skyrocket. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. So the crucial point is, here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They get a raise, then immediately buy a better phone, finance a fancier car, or buy more expensive clothes. It's the classic trap. Instead, you've got to flip the script. Whenever your income increases, increase your savings first. Apply that extra money to your financial goals before you even get used to having it. I promise, your future self will thank you. Step 6. Let your money grow. Now, once you've built up a solid emergency fund, don't let your savings just sit there forever losing value to inflation. Start investing wisely. Low-cost index funds are one fantastic option many long-term investors use because they provide broad market exposure. The fundamental key here is time. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to work its absolute magic. Your first $10,000 won't happen overnight, but if you save consistently, spend intentionally, increase your income, and avoid lifestyle inflation, you'll get there much faster than you think. Remember, the first 10,000 changes your mindset entirely. The next 10,000 becomes so much easier because your systems are already in place. So the ultimate question is, what exactly will you do with your newly built wealth once you cross that finish line? If you enjoyed this explainer and want more practical money tips every week, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.